I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis. I welcome all of you on this occasion of Guru Purnima. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। गुरु पूर्णिमा के इस पावन में और शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सबको आशीर्वाद देता हूँ। Today, Guru Purnima, the Master's Day, traditionally celebrated, observed in the Vedic tradition. This must be one of the oldest religious festival in the world because it is from the Guru worship. All the worship of gods, goddesses, nature, everything started. So the first form of worship is Guru worship. First form of puja is Guru puja. So I welcome all of you to celebrate one of the oldest festival, oldest celebration with youngest Guru. And my Guru Purnima message, few minutes suspense. Purnatva. My Guru Purnima message this time for all of you is Purnatva. This is what I wanted all of you to receive as the Guru Prasada. Please understand, my Guru Purnima message today is completion. इस वर्ष के गुरु पूर्णिमा का मेरा आप सबको संदेश है पूर्णत्व। Completion. Understand the word. I am defining this word. Completion means completing with all the incomplete, inadequate patterns, experiences, cognitions you created for yourself, and bringing, cognizing, experiencing most powerful space for you and experiencing completion with yourself and others is what I call completion. Please come to the space of listening. Completion can make you experience Advaita, the ultimate space of consciousness, immediately. Completion can make you experience the powerful space. Without completion, when you are in incompletion, constantly you feel powerless. Anything you do comes out of powerlessness. Listen, anything done out of incompletion leads to more and more incompletion. Anything is done out of completion leads to more and more completion. ध्यान से सुनिए, पूर्णत्व इस शब्द का अर्थ है सभी अपूर्णताओं, अनुभवों, अनुभूतियों के साथ पूर्णत्व करना और सबसे शक्तिशाली अंतर आकाश का अनुभव करना, अद्वैत स्थिति का अनुभव करना, स्वयं के साथ और दूसरों के साथ पूर्णत्व का अनुभव करना। Listen, whatever you want to do in your life, you may want to heal yourself, you may want to build good relationships in your life, you may want to repair all the broken relationships in your life, you may want to have wealth in your life, you may want to have joy in your life, you may want to have contentment in your life. Whatever you may want to have, bring completion in your life. Completion gets you back your original Advaitic state with which you happened in the cosmos. Completion is more to do with you. Sometime when we start doing completion, we think, all right, I will complete. What about the other person? He will still carry incompletions. No. Whether he carries his incompletions or you have a difference of opinion does not matter. Completion is you are complete and established in the space of Advaita. That's all is completion. First of all, I have to tell you what all is not completion, what are the doubts you carry about completion, then I will define completion. जब आप अपूर्ण है, जो भी आप करते हैं वो आपको और अधिक अपूर्णताएं उत्पन्न करता है। चाहे आप जीवन में जो भी करना चाहे, शायद आप अपना स्वास्थ्य बढ़ाना चाहते हैं या फिर आप धन चाहते हैं या फिर आनंद का अनुभव करना चाहते हैं या अच्छे संबंध बना चाहे हैं, आप जीवन में जो भी चाहे सबसे पहले पूर्णत्व कीजिए। I tell you, the incompletions embedded in you incompletion sitting in you goes on creating more and more incompletions. So first, find the root of incompletions, the root pattern. Let me define root pattern. Root pattern means first time in your life when your cognitions was imbalanced, disturbed by some external force, and your terrorized being started defining yourself with a disempowering word and defining the world in that disempowering, powerless state, and to compensate from this death of disempowering inner identity, inner image, you create a pseudo alternative compensating cognition, outer image. This is what I call root pattern. Please listen. The moment root pattern enters your system, you are dead. After that, only root pattern lives through you. You don't live. Your life is over. Your body may be functioning, but your life is over. First thing any human being should do is learn the science of discovering the root pattern. There are so many ways you can learn by listening to everyday Nitya Satsang, or listening to these satsangs through YouTube, or attending the Inner Awakening Level 1 or Level 2 program. So many ways you can learn the science of discovering your root pattern. I sincerely request, please find your root pattern somehow and complete it. Completion is possible, easy. It is possible and it is easy. Completion with the root pattern gets your life back to you. I can never describe verbally the benefits you can have by completing your root patterns. I can say literally you get your life back. And I request every human being on the planet Earth, please find your root pattern and complete with it. Find your root pattern and complete with it. It is my teaching for my disciples and devotees. It is my command. For the visitors, viewers, it is my teaching. For an onlooker, it is my request. For all human beings, it is my humble request. I am ready to touch anyone's feet, giving this as my request. Discover your root pattern. Find your root pattern and complete it. you will not you can't even imagine the amount of good will happen to you and to the people around you. You will do so much good to you and to others, and go on completing with every pattern which brings powerlessness in you, every incident which brings powerlessness in you, every memory which brings powerlessness in you, every thought which brings powerlessness in you. Go on completing. Sometime you may complete with root pattern. When you are again reliving, the root pattern will not have any impact over you. But the after effects of root pattern will be sitting in you. The root pattern which got created at the age of 3, you will complete with it. But the effects of the root pattern which is there on your consciousness from the age of 3 till yesterday, you have to complete with that also. Continuously dig out any memory, any incident, any situation which makes you feel powerless. Complete with everything. The effects of your root pattern is your conflicting patterns. Complete with your conflicting patterns also. Conflicting patterns are like the branches which sprout from the root pattern. So go on completing. Once you complete with the root pattern, the root of the tree is dead. It won't sprout again. But the branches which has already grown are there. You have to burn that. You have to burn it away. You have to complete with it. So any conflict you experience in your life is connected to some root pattern. Please listen. It is connected to some root pattern. So, my sincere request, my authentic request to all of you, find your root pattern and complete whatever may be your problem, you will be healed. I tell you, once you complete your root patterns and conflicting patterns, you become the favorite inheritor of the cosmos. I commit with you my integrity and authenticity. I am responsible for what I am uttering. Complete with your root pattern. Complete with your conflicting pattern. You will be able to achieve millions of things in your life. You will just live a divine life. Literally. Please understand. Don't think all these words you heard already many times. No. Now when I say, I mean it. आप में उपस्थिति अपूर्णता ये लगातार और अधिक अपूर्णत्वों का निर्माण करते हैं। पूर्णत्व वो स्थिति है जिसमें आप स्वयं दूसरों और ब्रह्मांड के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। पहले अपूर्णता का मूल खोजिए, मूल विचारधारा की खोज कीजिए। मूल विचार उत्पन्न होती है जब आपके जीवन में किसी परिस्थिति में आप में शक्तिहीनता का अनुभव किया और उसे संभालने के लिए आपने अपनी भीतरी चावी से भिन्न अपना एक व्यक्तित्व बनाए। मूल विचारधारा जब पैदा होती है उसके बाद आप जीवित नहीं है, केवल मूल विचारधारा ही जीवित रहती है। पहले मूल विचारधारा से पूर्णत्व कीजिए, तभी आपका जीवन पुनः पाते हैं। I have a story about a root pattern. A taxi passenger just tapped the driver on the shoulder to ask him a question. The driver suddenly started screaming, lost control of the car, nearly hit a bus, went up to the footpath and stopped just centimeters from a shop window. For a second, everything was completely collapsed. After few moments, quiet moments in the cab, then the rear driver came back to his senses and asked the passenger, "Look man, don't ever do that again. You scared the daylights out of me. You scared the hell out of me. You terrorized me." The passenger apologized and said, "I did not realize that little tap would scare you so much." The driver replied, "Sorry man, it's not your fault. It's really not your fault. Today is my first day as a cab driver. For last 25 years, I was driving funeral van." Route pattern is like the driver. Being tapped on the shoulder. The minute it comes out, your life is in chaos. A normal taxi driver will not have any problem if you tap on his shoulder. Sometime he will be looking at you and driving the vehicle, you only will have a problem. He will be very comfortable. But a funeral van driver, if you tap him behind, look at your life and see. The minute your route pattern is triggered, what happens to you? Your logic is lost. You jump higher than the driver. You touch the roof. You make idiotic decisions. I tell you, all the divorces, all the breaking of relationships, all the separation of the friends, family, business partners, all the sadness in the planet Earth starts only when the root patterns are triggered. All the wars between the countries, it is nothing but triggering the collective root pattern of that society. If Pakistan triggers the collective root pattern of Hindus and India, war is triggered. If India triggers some country's collective root pattern, war is triggered. Whether it is the war in the home or war in the communities, war between the countries, root pattern is responsible. Find the root pattern, complete with it. Incompletion at the level of a single individual piles up and becomes the incompletion at the level of society. Incompletions in the level of society piles up and becomes the incompletion in the level of large community. Incompletions in the level of large community piles up and becomes the incompletions of a whole country. Incompletions between countries leads and causes war. War is a result of incompletion. Whether war between you and you or war between the country and country is a result of incompletion which is there in a single human being. If somehow the Hitler has known the signs of completion, so many Jews would not have died. If the British governors came to India, know a little bit of completion, they would not have killed so many millions of Hindus in artificial forced famine. दर्शकों से ये मेरा अनुग्रह है, सभी मनुष्यों को ये मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है, मेरी शिष्यों के ये मेरी आज्ञा है कि पूर्णत्व कीजिए। जो भी घटा, जो भी स्मृति आपको शक्तिहीनता का अनुभव देती है, उन सभी के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। अपने विरोधी मूल विचारधाराओं के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। आप जीवन में जो भी संघर्ष अनुभव करते हैं वो किसी मूल विचारधारा पर आधारित है। जब आप पूर्णत्व करते हैं, आप इस ब्रह्मांड का सबसे प्रिय उत्तराधिकारी बनते हैं। आप एक दैवी जीवन जिएंगे। आई टेल यू, इस पूरी पृथ्वी पर सभी युद्धों का मूल है मूल विचारधारा। आई टेल यू, in my life, I have seen in my experience, once I completed with myself and others, I could see very clearly the way others respond to me spontaneously is transformed to good, better and best. अगर आप युद्ध को समाप्त करना चाहते हैं तो पहले आपके मूल विचारधारा को पूर्णत्व क्रिया के द्वारा समाप्त कीजिए। The science of पूर्णत्व, science of completion is the most sacred secret, the most powerful Rajavidya, Rajaguhya, royal sacred knowledge and royal sacred secret. I tell you, find your root pattern and complete it. When you do completion, creation will simply happen. Enriching will be just your lifestyle. When you do completion, simply you will create and enrich everyone. Enrich yourself and enrich everyone. You will understand enriching others enriches you. Experientially you will understand you are one with others, others are one with you. I wanted all of you to know, even in my own life, only after the science of completion entered, I realized Advaita is not just philosophy, it is a basic reality for lifestyle. It's a basic reality. Traffic rules are not philosophy. It's a basic day-to-day reality for you to run your life. Same way, Advaita is not philosophy. It is basic principles of reality to run your day-to-day life. एक अगले व्यक्ति की अपूर्णता बढ़कर समाज की अपूर्णता का निर्माण करता है। जब समाज की अपूर्णता बढ़ जाती है तब पूरा देश अपूर्ण होता है। पूरे देश की अपूर्णता ही युद्ध का कारण है। Understand, life starts only when you complete, when you are established in completion, in the completion. केवल पूर्णत्व से भी आपके जीवन आरंभ होता है. Complete, complete, complete with all the root patterns. Above all, complete with your self-doubting patterns. I tell you, you bring all the suffering, worst things in your life just because of your self-doubting pattern. If somebody can complete with their self-doubting pattern, they start living Jivan Mukti. Complete with your self-doubting pattern. When you have a very disempowering, powerless mamakara idea about you, just to compensate it for survival's sake, you project a powerful ahankara towards others, powerful image to others. That gap creates self-doubt in you. With the self-doubting pattern, you don't do anything good. You don't do anything higher. I tell you, somehow complete with self-doubting pattern. Only when you complete with your root pattern, you will be able to complete with self-doubting pattern. Whoever completes with the self-doubting pattern lives as a leader, lives as a hero, lives as Jivan Mukta. Again and again and again, I request, even if you forget all my teachings, all you learnt from all the spiritual books, all the spiritual satsangs, and all the spiritual knowledge you acquired, even if you forget everything, just remember this completion with yourself and others. You will live Jivan Mukti life. You will become enlightened. When you complete with yourself, the completion with others starts. When you complete with others, completion with yourself completes. Complete with the cosmos. Complete with your teacher. Complete with your master. Guru Purnima is the day to complete with your Guru and all the Gurus' Gurus. The Guru Parampara. Just yesterday, I was talking to some of our organizers. Some of the so-called devotees or disciples. I told them, sometimes people utter these words. I understood Swamiji, only Swamiji has not understood me. The man who understood the whole cosmos did not understand you. Cannot understand you. What a foolish cognition you are established in. If you are thinking, how did it reach Swamiji? Be very clear, you are the one who said it. The man who understood the whole cosmos did not understand you. So you are beyond cosmos. You are bigger than cosmos. Complete the all incompletions you created with you and with the Master, I tell you, when you complete with your boss, your job will be happy and successful. When you complete with your wife, your married life will be happy and successful. When you complete with all your family members, your family will be happy and successful. When you complete with your Guru, your spiritual life will be successful. Guru Purnima is the day to complete with the Master, complete with the Guru Parampara, completing with the cosmos itself, complete with life, complete with cosmos, complete with your fears, complete with your self-doubts. Now I am going to define completion. Listen. After introducing enough about the need of completion, I am introducing the science of completion. Listen. Completion means sitting with all the disempowering cognitions and moments and incidents and the persons and places and objects and things, and with the declaration of completion, reliving and relieving the whole incident or the pattern or the cognition or the situation or the memory, reliving and relieving it again and again and again till you stop feeling powerlessness, till you are established in powerful cognition eternally, till you feel powerful all the time, always, till the powerlessness leaves you complete, complete, complete. Every night spend at least 42 minutes, 2 cycle. 1 cycle is 21 minutes, 2 cycle. 42 minutes spent in completion. In the completion, I tell you, in few days only you will understand the power of completion. So from today to from today to October 14th till Navaratri Vijayadashami, we will observe all over the world the season of completion again. Purnatva Rutu. From today to Navaratri Vijayadashami, traditionally Chaturmasya is observed from today to Navaratri. Chaturmasya Vrata is taken by all the sadhus, swamis. From today to Navaratri, Vijayadashami day, they celebrate Chaturmasya. Means they will stay in one place and do Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. They will not be wandering. Please understand. So this time, all our devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, followers, let all of us observe Chaturmasya of Purnatva. 4 months of Purnatva. 4 months of Purnatva. Every night, before you fall asleep, at least 42 minutes, we will do completion with ourselves, completion with others, completion with the world, completion with the cosmos, completion with the life. How many of you are ready to commit with me? Raise your hand. So repeat this commitment. Hereby, with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching, I declare, I commit to be complete. I will establish myself in the completion. Every night, at least 42 minutes, I'll spend in the completion process. And by Navaratri, Vijayadashami of this year, I'll establish myself in completion. Tatastu. I give you all my blessings. Let you all be established in the completion. Understand? Whole day, whoever you have incompletion, try to reach out to them and complete. Complete, complete, complete. आपके सभी मूल विचारधाराओं से लगातार पूर्णत्व कीजिए. पूर्णत्व करने से आप ये अनुभव करेंगे कि आप दूसरों से अलग नहीं है. अद्वैत कोई तत्व ज्ञान नहीं है. ये एक सरल और सीधा व्यवहारिक जीवन और जीवन शैली है. हर रात कम से कम 42 मिनट पूर्णत्व कीजिए. आज से लेकर विजयदशमी के दिवस तक इस चातुर्मास में पूर्णत्व का व्रत कीजिए, व्रत लीजिए. Understand? You would have taken so many vratas and left it incomplete. May not have fulfilled, may not have completed. Now, vrata about completion, don't leave it incomplete. That will be too bad. So decide to complete, 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 complete. Have a mirror for completion in your bedroom. When you start doing first 2-3 days, you will feel bored. You will feel tired. But it's okay. Do it. Do it. Then you will understand the power of completion. Power of completion. It can heal any disease in your body and mind. Understand? The words I am uttering, I am responsible for it. The completion process can heal any disease in your body and mind. And आज घोषणा कीजिए कि इस क्षण से लेकर विजयदशमी के दिवस तक मैं पूर्णत्व स्थिति में स्थापित रहूंगा. मैं आप सबको आशीर्वाद देता हूं कि इस पूर्णत्व यज्ञ में आप सफल हो. अद्वैत, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ध्यान से सुनिए, द नॉलेज ऑफ अद्वैत, knowledge of Advaita becomes living reality in you. With completion, you conquer all fears with completion. You conquer all wrong self-identification you have done with your completion. The genesis of identity is transformed with the process of completion. I tell you, the feeling you have that you are inadequate, you are not capable, you can't, all that impossible will just disappear and melt down with completion. Do completion. Everything, the wrong cognitions, inadequate cognitions you have will melt down. You will become complete. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with completion, and let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.